Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the exact Magic Keyboard model and that it actually has Touch ID. This matters because setup differs by model. Once done, make sure your Mac is updated and Bluetooth is active, and sign into an admin account. Plug or pair the keyboard so the Mac recognizes it. Next, open System Settings and go to Touch ID and Password. You'll begin enrollment immediately. Place the finger you use most often on the sensor when prompted. You'll follow a series of prompts that ask you to lift and rest your finger repeatedly. This records multiple contact points for reliability. Make sure to slightly rotate and adjust the finger angle to capture edges and the center. This reduces false rejects later. If asked, add alternate fingers or re-enroll after a few uses to improve accuracy. Once complete, give the recorded print a clear name, like primary thumb, so you can manage it under Touch ID settings. You finish by testing Touch ID immediately with App Store purchases, Apple Pay, and unlocking. This verifies that the sensor and permissions are correct. If Touch ID fails, clean the sensor and your finger, then re-enroll the print, often that fixes edge case reads. Make sure to restart the Mac or repair the keyboard if errors persist. If problems continue, remove the fingerprint, reset Bluetooth pairing, and enroll again. This sequence usually resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.